something. What the heck is that? You were scared. You told me to get up.
Phone record. That's all. Like I can't be doing. Try to get me.
You were scared. I get you every time.
What's up, guys? SES, man. I'm about to show y'all how I came to the conclusion that my generator needed a new coil. So y'all see how it is. All took apart, right? It's a new coil from Amazon right here, and it was about 13 bucks. I was looking for one at Harbor Freight, and I couldn't find nothing. And these look so similar, so I just took the chance on buying it because I didn't want to just throw away the generator because it was running perfectly fine. So in the beginning, I thought it was a fuel issue, right? So I took the carb apart. Jets were clean. I could see through all the holes. The bottom of the bowl didn't have any clogging, so I was like, it can't be a fuel issue. And then before I tried that, I sprayed some starter fluid in there. Still didn't start. Pulling it, yanking it, pulling it. Pulled it so much that the string came out the cap. And if that ever happens, all you have to do is pull this out. Put the handle back in, tie a knot inside, and pull it down. Show y'all that real quick. Like that. So I just cut the end of it, burnt it so I can stick it through. Made a knot, and it was good to go again. I'm about to put this back in. 1 second. That's back in. If I'm working on something fast, I try to leave it like exactly how I left it, because if I don't, I'm not gonna remember where everything went. So the coil has this one wire that connect right there, and once it's grounded to this generator and you spin this and it come past here, it'll spark. If it don't, the coil is dead. So I can show y'all my fuel, but y'all can see it clean. So tighten it back up. Now, this air cleaner goes on top, well, in front of this, but I had to take all that back off just to take that cover off so I can get the coil out. So the reason why the motor spins so easy is because the spark plug is out. And that's the way you're gonna test the coil. This is a new plug that I got from AutoZone. I just cross-referenced the part number from the old one, which should be around here somewhere. It should be good still. But it was black, so I thought it was fouling out. Where is it? Can't find it. Yeah, so I just took it off. I just keep it as a spare. AC Delco is better than SAP, blah, 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 whatever. So I'm gonna stick this back in there. And then, matter of fact, I'm gonna put the coil on first and then do a test run. And then we'll see how I go. All right, got the new coil. And check for the bolt marks. All right, so this way is the way it sit. I mean, this will go here, and the starter plug will go the other way. You can unscrew this spark plug piece. Got copper wire right here, and it just needs to get onto this screw piece there. But I'm just trying to stick it behind this throttle linkage. I'm gonna take this little placard that came in the mail, stick it between the coil and this big rotor piece, like such. That way it'll be like literally a real thin gap. Show y'all how it look. Real thin gap. All right, so Y'all see what we got there. Now, I'm gonna put this plug wire back on. Pull the one in the back that I was talking about. It's routed through there. Comes around and connect to this wire right there. Cool. All right, it's tight. I'm gonna ground it on the exhaust. See if we get some spark. All right, made it close as I could. But check it out. It's not sparking now, but it was just sparking. Let me block the light. There you go, y'all can see it now. So we should be running. I got a spark plug tool now. I didn't have it a couple days ago, but I just used these channel locks and got it tight as I needed, or what I felt like I needed it to be. All right, that's tight. Put this coil spark plug. All right, this is my gasket. Show y'all how to go on. So this open piece at the bottom come towards to that open piece on the card. Like that. And this vent tube here goes to the exhaust. It acts like an EGR valve, basically. And then that should be it to get it started. Fuel line, 2 bolts for my air cleaner, 2 10 mils. All right, so now all I got is my air cleaner and all my case bolts. But I can walk around and show y'all. Had to unsnap them lines there. All these go to my handle. And then I got like 2 side pieces and my 1 end piece. So I got enough to test, man. See what we got. All right, choke, closed, throttle, a little bit of gas. I ain't spinning. Say. Okay. we should be starting, man. We should be starting. I'm just about to make a bigger hole or something. Cause I ain't taking this off. All right, on